Hello, welcome to the vending channel. Today we're going to be disassembling and reassembling a transparent antique gumball machine. First of all, I'm going to take the top off with a quarter. You can use a flathead screwdriver if you'd like. Simply comes off like this. There's a nut inside. In here we have the gasket sealed with the nut. You can take that off with your finger. And the gasket comes out. Here you have your globe, your bottom ring, the brush off plate, and the dispensing wheel. Here you have inside the flap where the gumballs come out, and this is a free spin machine. Underneath here is the mechanism. And you take that up to get the coins. To reassemble it, you slide that back on. Locks in place. The mechanism slides right in. Tight. Then the dispensing wheel, followed by the brush off plate. Make sure that's secure. Then the bottom ring, there's a flap here, goes down. You can set your lid right on top. The ring gasket goes on. Secure it with the nut. Not too tight, but just enough to be secure. Then you put this back on and secure it, the screw with the quarter or screwdriver or whatever you're using. This transparent gumball machine comes in pink, blue, purple, yellow, green, and a clear version. Thank you for watching the vending channel. You can reach us at Gumball Machine Warehouse at gumball-machine.com. That's gumball-machine.com. Thank you.